a little memory, a little sunshine, soft ravioli, creamy burrata, and a whisper of lemon zest. Simple ingredients carrying pieces of the places that shaped me. So come on into my kitchen. Let's make this small bowl of comfort together. As we begin, stay with me until the end. A tender little surprise awaits you there, born from a chapter of my life. Ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, butter, red onion, garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, Italian flat parsley, Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh burrata, and Sicilian lemon zest ravioli. In a pan, let's add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, just enough to start building our flavor. Now I add a 1/4 cup of salted butter. Yes, my friends, salted butter. And now let the butter melt slowly into the olive oil. Next, add 1 chopped red onion and let it soften gently in the butter and olive oil. This recipe needs a little garlic. Not too much, just enough to gently perfume the sauce without taking over. The water is finally boiling, that beautiful rolling dance. Now let's salt it generously like the sea. Next, we'll add fresh lemon zest. It's what gives this dish its brightness. And now, the juice of 1 lemon to bring a soft, fresh lift to this dish. Now for the Parmigiano Reggiano that will give the dish its depth and that beautiful savory richness. Look at these gorgeous ravioli. It's time to gently drop them into the water. Try not to lose one. These little troublemakers love to make a break for it. And Mimi's telling me, Nona, mix them. He keeps me in check. And the last ingredient for our sauce, fresh, flat Italian parsley. It brightens everything. Now let's lift the burrata from the siero. Look how beautiful it is. Gorgeous. Cut into it and the milk just spills out. I cut it in 4 and just look at that creaminess. This is the kind of burrata that makes you pause and appreciate how beautiful, simple food can be. Drain the ravioli with a spider and add them right into the sauce. No need for pasta water here. Just let the extra moisture evaporate slightly so the sauce clings beautifully. With salted butter in the sauce and in the ravioli water, I knew I wouldn't need to adjust for salt, and the lemon gives just the right amount of brightness to balance everything. To finish each plate, add a generous spoonful of burrata over the ravioli and a touch of that lemony sauce. Our recipe ends here, my friends, but the story doesn't. Don't go just yet. Stay with me until the end. There is something from my life I'm finally ready to share. My parents were young Italians when they left their homeland. Two dreamers with brave hearts and a suitcase full of hope. They crossed the Alps into Lausanne, Switzerland, not for adventure, but for work, for dignity, for the chance to build something better, for the family they dream of having. They didn't speak the language, they didn't know the customs, and being Italian, they faced discrimination, quiet but real. Yet they carried Italy with them, in their food, in their faith, in the way they held each other through every challenge. My father came from Cernusco sul Naviglio, a quiet Lombardy town of canals, cobblestone streets, and tree-lined paths. A place that feels lived in and deeply loved, the kind of town that shapes a gentle heart. My mother came from Castelfranco Veneto, a medieval jewel surrounded by red brick walls and towers. The birthplace of the great Renaissance painter Giorgione, whose art glowed with mystery and emotion. She left not only out of necessity, but out of love, to help her family to carry her share of the weight. Two souls from different corners of Italy found each other in a foreign land. And in that place that wasn't theirs, they built a home. In that home, they welcomed me, the child of two dreamers who carried Italy in their hearts and hope in their hands. And that's a little piece of my story. Come back for the next recipe and the next chapter of my life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ciao, my friends.